Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.3 and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this SONY device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and finally Keyboard. Over here go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select a photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. When you're ready, choose Apply and go back. As you can see, the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!